from the suppliers, Hit-A-Star. It's a power bank flashlight with 5 modes. F1, 2, 3, 4, which is light perception, and we'll show you what that is about. And it has a distance light and a near light that throws a wide angle. It's not just a flashlight for a bike. It could be hung on a mount, walk around with a tripod, and more. 4,000 milliamp battery, as well as reverse charging through the USB-C. When we turn on the flashlight, it is a long press and remembers the last setting. We are on F1 with the green light and large indicator and percentage, 68%, with 4 lights in the front. If we press on number 2, the beam goes down less. Number 3, it's a rapid flash. And number 4, it blinks 3 times to tell you you're on light perception. If we take a flashlight and we shine it into the light goes down and brightens up. We'll do that one more time. This is light perception. When the light hits it, it brings it down. When the light doesn't hit it, it goes back up. So it detects light and lowers down for oncoming vehicles and more. Number 5, it's an SOS blink. Double pressing on the light lowers down the light, changes the beam of the light from 4 to 2, 2 to 4. Long press shuts the light off. Mounting to a bicycle is simply taking the mount, placing over your size handlebars, and wrapping the rubber clip around if it's 1 or 2 for tightness. The clip adjusts to the angles. When you put on your flashlight, it is as simple as matching up and sliding back, holding and locking into place, and adjusting. Using the USB-C cable and plugging in to the USB-A port to charge your devices. For example, we have a pair of headbuds. We simply charge in to show the indication of charge. Placing on the headlight is matching up the unit in one direction. Locking into place. And turning on your headlight, your headlamp. We will demonstrate in the evening hours what the headlight looks like in the 5 modes outdoors. As we turn the headlight on by a long press on F2, F3, F4, F5, and F1, we'll give a ride and show you what it looks like. As we beam the light down, you can see what it looks like. As we ride into the camera, you can see the light. Showing you the beam looking up ahead on the road. The adjustment for a headlight, the beam, and that is the bike light. Double press brightens, double press darkens. So if you're looking for a bike light with 5 modes, a wide, narrow, bright, dim, depending on the modes you're looking for, this may be the light, 800 lumens for you.